Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to be looking at some of the image features from Bootstrap 4. You can see here from the third in the video series, we've added a nav bar. From the second in the video series, we added a grid layout. This particular one has 2 rows, 1 row with 2 columns and 1 row with 3 columns. Flipping back here, in the first column of the first row, I'm going to add an image, so I'm just going to hit Tab here and then start typing and looking for the images. And if I save that and upload, make sure I upload the image along with the file. And we'll come over here and refresh, Command R, and we can see that image has been inserted. You can also see there's a bit of a problem in the way it overlaps the other one. If I resize my browser, you can see the image is static, doesn't resize or anything. If I go ahead, before I add any of the Bootstrap classes, if I go ahead and add a second image, and you can see it's a similar kind of a situation where we can't see the entire image. They don't resize, they overlap, and etc., etc. And there is the entire image. So if I come back here and I'm going to add a class is equal to image fluid, and we'll make that update. I'm going to say no because the images are already uploaded. And now you can see the images are fluid in the sense that they resize to fit the box or are responsive to fit the window. And now as we resize, you can see they will also resize in order to properly fit. We can also add rounded. Actually, let me just add it to the other one. And again, I said no. And now you can see the corners are a little bit rounded, kind of almost like a thumbnail. And if we change this, in fact, from image fluid to image thumbnail, now we can see not only, now you can see it's added a border with rounded corners, making it look a little bit more like a thumbnail. And does it stay? And it stays responsive. If we flip over here to the Bootstrap documentation, I've clicked under Content and Images, and you can read more about the about images. So you can see the responsive images using image fluid. You can see about image thumbnails and rounded corners, and you can also see they've got some classes for floating the image on the left or the right, so we can put text on beside the image, or also how to go ahead and center an image in an element using the margin auto to center it. I hope this helps.